Why does the jury need to know if you're in pain now, during the course of trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Maybe it's an accident case or even medical malpractice. The jury wants to know whether you're in pain right now because, from a damages standpoint, they need to know whether you have any ongoing current problems. One of the things that we have to get out is what problems you had from the time of the wrongdoing up until the time of trial. And now we also have to show to the jury that you also have problems today, and those problems are going to exist into the foreseeable future. And in addition to your testimony as the injured victim about the problems that you're having today, we also have to bring in medical experts, medical doctors, doctors who have treated you, to show to the jury, to support our claim that the problems you're having now are going to exist into the future for many, many years to come. And that's a critical component of the damages that the jury has to evaluate. So now if the jury determines that the people you are suing are legally responsible for your injuries, now they have to focus on how much compensation to give to you for all the harms and losses that you incurred. From the time of the incident until the time of trial, that's known as past damages, and now future damages. What problems are you going to have into the future? How are these injuries going to disable you and affect your life? And if they are going to affect them, now we have to know, the jury has to know, whether you're in any pain today. And that doesn't mean that if you took a Tylenol or some other pain medication today that you're not in pain. The jury wants to know that, and we have to get that information to them in order to justify a verdict, to show that you have damages currently as well as into the future. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil lawsuits in accident cases and medical malpractice cases where an injured victim is seeking compensation for all of the injuries that they've suffered because of someone else's carelessness. You know, I recognize that you're watching this video because you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you've got legal questions and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, what I encourage you to do, and I invite you to do, is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, @ Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.